Good morning, students. Today we shall continue with the lesson 9 Splendid State Part 2 explanation. In the previous class, I have already explained to you about the must-see things in Madhya Pradesh when we visit over there. The writer insists or invite us to do over there. The first one was spend a day looking at Buddhist monuments in Sanchi, and the second one was take a tour of the temples, and the third one we have go on a wildlife safari. Let's see what is it. Madhya Pradesh is home to 9 national parks, of which the largest is the Kanha National Park, a tiger reserve. So it's really wonderful to hear, maybe to know also there are 9 national parks in Madhya Pradesh, and the most important and the largest one is the Kanha National Park, and it is a tiger reserve. Reserve means saving, protected area for the wildlife, especially for the tigers. Leopards, bears, wolves, as well as a wide variety of deer may also be seen. So in this particular national parks, especially in Kanha National Park, we also find not only tigers, but you will find leopards, bears, wolves, and a variety of deer. The Barasingha means a swamp deer. It has 12 horns. Is a state animal of Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh state animal is a swamp deer. It is in Hindi, it is a Barasingha with 12 horns. In fact, the state's landscape and animal life served an inspiration for Rudyard Kipling's famous novel, The Jungle Book. So, landscape, all visible features of an area of land. Because of this area, the landscape was so conducive for the and also an inspiration for Rudyard Kipling's. He was a famous novelist, and he made this novel from this particular area of animal life served over there, and he has brought out a novel named The Jungle Book, and if I am not mistaken, this Jungle Book has come even as a movie. Stay at one of these parks and experience a typical safari day. Wake up early in the morning, go on an adventure through the jungle, spot rare birds and animals, and have one of the most unique experiences of your life. Now the writer shares with us that when he visited, he has done this, and he is telling us to do the same. He says, in order to enjoy the most, to have a typical safari over there. And he says, get up early in the morning and go for this adventure through the jungle. No, everybody cannot do. Those who are interested and those who love adventures only can be done this type of safari. No, it's a kind of travel. And the writer says, during this forest adventure trip, you will find or you will spot rare animals and birds, which this will make us having a unique experience of our life. Now the next one is visit the caves of Bhimbetka. Bhimbetka is a caves visiting over there. Let's see what is that. The Bhimbetka caves are evidence of the beginning of the Stone Age. Stone Age is like a historical period in which stone was widely used. From that time onwards, this Bhimbetka cave was existing, and now also it is preserved and it is still existing in Madhya Pradesh. And this is an evidence. Evidence means it's a sign or a indication that this stone age was there and what all the things has happened that time, and it is still preserved. And in India, they are located inside the Ratpani Wildlife Sanctuary. So where are these Bhimbetka caves are found? Inside the Ratpani Wildlife Sanctuary. The name Bhimbetka comes from Bhima, a hero of the epic Mahabharata. So this Bhimbetka name has come from Mahabharata, Bhima. We know this story about Bhima. So it has come from, this name Bhimbetka has come from the name Bhima. Go on a shopping spree. Now the next interesting things that we can do in Madhya Pradesh is, that according to writer, is go on a shopping spree. Most of the people love to do this wherever we visit with our family or we go by ourselves. Whatever shopping is a must for everyone. So the writer says, now enjoy this particular part also in Madhya Pradesh. So spree means a short period that you spent on an enjoyable activity. So during those time you spent which you are interested. From the Maheshwari fabric to the zari work jyotis of Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh is known for its handicrafts. So Madhya Pradesh, not only the above mentioned things are famous for, but even for the handicrafts also Madhya Pradesh is very, very famous. Different fabrics, art and crafts, handicrafts means the things that is made with the hand. The Gons, a tribe living in the state, make beautiful paintings that tell stories of myths and legends or simply depict scenes from the daily lives of the tribe. So Gons are the particular tribe, and they are very good in art, and they have done the artistical work over there, and that has become a sign to enjoy, or it put before us scenes from the daily lives of this particular tribals. Madhya Pradesh is also famous for its delicate Chanderi fabric made in the village of Chanderi. So people of Chanderi village is made this particular fabric using most probably handicraft work and delicate work, very beautiful and neat work, and this is also very famous in this particular village, and it is naturally it is meant for the Madhya Pradesh. The whole credit goes to Madhya Pradesh. Thapa and Tusa jewelry from Bhopal, and daris, that is woven carpets from Sironj, Jabua and Jabalpur are also well known. No, there are so many carpets, people come even to our state selling this type of daris, and so carpets made this particular place. We never know that it was, unless and until we read it, we are not aware that it is made in this particular place. Now the question again they are asking us, where are the Buddhist monuments located? We already learned there are not only in Madhya Pradesh, Sanchi Stupa, there are also other places also we have the Buddhist monuments located to find out. Okay. Beside these, Madhya Pradesh also has many other surprises. So it is not coming to an end with this shopping and other things, but again the surprises are waiting for us to enjoy in Madhya Pradesh. Go to Madhya Pradesh to discover secrets of palaces and museums. There are also many ancient palaces which are still preserved and kept. Go to Madhya Pradesh for mouth-watering foods such as dal bafla, biryani, malpua and mawa bati. So If those people go, they enjoy not only the scenic beauty, but also they will enjoy even the local food which is prepared over there traditionally. So those are mains are like bafla, dal bafla, biryani, malpua and mawa batti. Go to Madhya Pradesh for a glimpse of the marble rocks. Now there is also marble rocks. Even this particular marbles are sold in different parts of our country, which is special for Madhya Pradesh. A touch of nature, a slice of culture, the heartland. That's Madhya Pradesh for you. So after knowing all these beautiful spots that is unknown to us, when we come to know, we really feel like visiting Madhya Pradesh, and that is what the writer wants us to do. One or the other time, he invites us to go to visit Madhya Pradesh and witness all these places still which is preserved and kept over there. So we know that not just like well-known other places. So we also have the heartland, the center of our country. No, heartland means the center, and Madhya Pradesh is also very beautiful traveling destination for many people to enjoy. And let's see whether when we get a chance we shall visit now or in the future. So kindly go through the lesson again, read it, enjoy it, and thereafter do some research work. You can still find more about this state by going through the Google, type it and get more information if you are more interested. And just like this state, there are also hidden places or states we have still where we need to enjoy and to know about the beauty of these places and the states. Thank you.